Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to use the Graphtec CE6000. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find the power button over here on the side, and you want to turn it on. Then you want to take this lever back here, and you want to set it, push it back so you can pull the vinyl out. Make sure you hold on to it so it doesn't fall, and click 1. To start making stickers, you want to open up the Graphtec Pro Studio 2.30. Once you are in the program, you want to adjust your page size to the same length as the vinyl. You want to go over here to File, Import your document, click here, go up to Bitmap, then go to Vectorize and Auto Trace. Then drag from corner to corner and select your item. Then what you want to do is go to File, Print, and then it should show up right here. You can see it there. Hit OK. Make sure all your settings are correct, and go ahead and hit cut.